Hello guys, in this video we are discussing a question of DSA. The question is ln and frequency. So in this question, first of all, we read the description of this question. So Alan Turing, the mathematician, is trying to break the encrypted message of the German troops generated by their encryption device Enigma. To find the distribution of the characters, he needs to find out how many times a particular character appears in a string. But to feed the data into his computer, he need the data in lexicographical order. Lexicographical order means in the dictionary order, that is in the alphabetical order. Since he is busy making Christopher better, he asks you to help. So guys, in this question, you can see here in the input test cases, like first of all, in first line, there are four. Means the length of the string is four here, like AMN, Aman. It may be different. So the output is according to it. So you can see here the A is the appearing first of all. So we return the A first. Then the occurrence of the A key is two times. A and A, you can see here, then A is 2, M is 1, and N is 1. So the main thing in this question is we rearrange it in the alphabetical order, lexicographical order. So how we can do this question? So let's start it. So guys, for doing this question, I use the first of all scanner class, has map, tree map I use in this question. So first of all, I written the statement import java dot util dot star. Okay, so for the avoiding the 2-3 lines repetition of code, I use the star. After that, like class main method. After that, guys, we creating a scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So guys, scanner class is created. The object of scanner class is created. So after that, you can see here, first of all, in the first line, the number of the length. So I store in the int n is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, guys. So length is done. After that, we store this name in a string. String s is equal to sc dot next. I use the next because we consider the only first name. If there are total first name and last name two names, between the space is also in the two names, then our program is not for that. Our program is for only the single names. A space is occur in between. This is not considered in this question. So after that, guys, the input taking process is done. So after that, our responsibility to close the scanner class sc dot close. So after that, we create a hash map. Hash map. The what is the type of hash map here? So you can see here there are combination of the character and the integer. So I write here character. Then the character is key, and after that there are integer. So we written here integer. So the auto suggestion is too much hectic in this question. So after that, guys, what we can do here, character, we create a name like map is equal to new hash map. So our hash map is successfully created. After that, we write a for loop for the iterating to the string character. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n. After that, I return I plus plus for the increment. So this is done. After that, what we can here do here. So I store every character value in a C character. Like C is equal to S dot char at I. So we are iterating the loop towards the strings every character. So after that, guys, character is stored in the C. Then we see here there are some if conditions, sorry, some, not some, if and else condition for the checking that our map is contain the key or not. So if map dot contains key C, if our map is containing the key, then what we can do here, we simply put in the map and increment the value. So how we can put, you know this method, map dot put. Okay, so first of all we return the key name, and after that, so how we can get the value, like we want to get the value of C, frequency of the C. So we return here map dot get, map dot get auto suggestions. So wait a second, map dot get and C. C values get here, and after that, the getting the value we increment by 1. So if our map is containing the value of character C, then we simply increment by 1. Else condition, if our map is not containing the particular key, then what we can do here, map dot put simple key name key C and the value. You know very well, if our map is empty, then first of all we put the value here, then value is 1. So guys, our hash map is ready. So this is hash map, and if we want to lexicographical in the want to show in the lexicographical order, so how we can do this, like first of all we can create tree map directly, but I use hash map. So you can also create directly tree map, but now don't worry, we create now tree map. Tree map, the how we can write here, tree map same character and the combination of the value is integer. Okay guys, and then the name of, we can return here sorted map, because you know very well the tree map is used for the sorting the key in alphabetical order. So this is the use case of the tree map. Then what we can write here, we creating the space in new tree map, then we simply put the value of map in this constructor. So successfully our tree map is created, and the tree map is now in the sorted. Then simply iterate a loop to the display our results. So how we can display, so for a loop we create a loop, for loop. So after that, for int I is equal to 0. Oh, no, no, no. We don't use this type of loop here. So we use map dot entry, map dot entry. After that, the entry is which type? Character and integer. Okay, guys. The map of entry is character and integer, and the we written any name like element, because it contain the element. Then the type is the name of this is sorted map, and the sorted map dot entry set, you can see here a method entry set. So our each element is contain the key and values here. So simply we return the south, and south the element dot get key and the plus combination we written here, and the plus after that element dot get value written here. Okay guys, so this question is done. So I printed this. After that, we simply copy this code and put in online compiler, like I avoid this line here, sorry for that. Okay guys, So I run this program. So what is the scanner class? Oh, we are not importing any statement. Import Java dot util dot star. Okay, then after run it, then you can see here we input first of all the length of the character am, then enter. So guys, am, I write the am. So like again I print the name Aman. Then you can see here the simple same result present. So first of all, like I written 6 HOSHIY. So after entering, you can see here H is 2 times, I for the one time, O for one time, S one time, Y one time. So these key are arranging in the sorted manner. And the example that are present in the our question, we also apply the same for AMA and AMAN. So you can see here A 2 times, M 1 times, and N 1 times. So guys, this is the simple code. First of all, we take the scanner class, and after that, we taking this input 4. And the string name Aman is storing in S. Then S dot close. This is the optional statement. You can clear this, and this is the good practice of the code. If we write the SC dot close, because we closing the scanner class. After that, we creating a hash map of character and integer, and the name of the hash map is map, new hash map, and we simply iterate a loop to a string and checking if our map is containing the key or not. If our map is first of all when I is equal to 0, then our map is find out that this key is not present, then it come in the else statement. Then we simply put a and the value of a is 1. So after that again, guys, when the a is again coming, then it seems that like this map is containing the key a. So he get the like he put again c, means see the value of the c is a, and map dot get this getting the value of a, then it get the value 1 from the map, then it increment by 1. Then you can see here the updated value of a is 2, and the m and n is 1 time. So this is the approach of this question, guys. Hope you understand that I want to share with you. So thank you so much.